few years ago, we moved towards becoming a more nesting-oriented manufacturer. I'd say Microvellum is the go-to software. The customization is easy. When we learned better ways to make nested products, it turned into a more rigid, better working post-processor for our nesting machines. Over the course of 6 months, we found more polish, more enhancement. We changed most of our tooling to use a single cutter so that we reduced tool changes on our nesting machines. That yielded in more parts being nested per day, and actually had an improvement in quality as well.
The programs that are created in Microvellum are transferred from the bar bridge directly to the CNC machines, to our nesting machines or beam saw, and sends the files directly so that there's no operator error, and executed by the CNC machines with no operator intervention.
We did reap the benefits of, we're able to generate hundreds and hundreds of machine files in under a couple seconds. And to have one part of that process be exponentially faster is definitely a benefit. And it just localized all that stress onto one tool that's regularly changed, and it increased the quality of our product.